Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for some relief on those super hot days, check out this neck fan from SMARTDEVIL. Now, there's nothing more refreshing than a cool breeze, but if it's not happening naturally, why not create one? This neck fan is super lightweight, it's very portable, so you can just tuck it in a bag and take it on the go. It sits comfortably around your neck. You power it on with one button and you cycle through 3 different speed settings depending on your needs. Now, if you're like me and you have long hair, of course, that is always a concern, but this is bladeless, so you can use this worry-free. The fan is nice and quiet. It is right beside your ear, so that's important. It has a really great battery life as well. It is USB charging. It comes with a little charging cable, and you can easily get a full day or 2 out of this depending on the setting you're on. This is great for a day at the beach, working in your yard, mowing the lawn. Oh my gosh, this is amazing for that type of job. Even exercise, whatever you're doing in your life where you want to be a little cooler, I think you'll absolutely love this, and that's my point of view.